In this video, we're going to be trying out the one chip challenge, the Carolina Reaper. The Carolina Reaper chip, the deadliest chip in the world.
Nice.
We already have it out the packet.
We can't grab it.
That
with
one's
these.
mine. That one's his.
All right.
Alright, I need a scalpel now.
No. Okay, now you can't spit it out. You just nom 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 nom, and then you swallow it. Okay, now
This is a huge chip!
you know what? You're not gonna. You know what? You're not gonna be able to fit.
Oh! It's not
This
so
is-
bad.
And this is the day that I die. 1 minute harmless, 10 minutes slitherer, 30 minutes venomous, 1 hour apex predator. But we're only doing it for like.
Okay, once it
We're
turns,
doing it for probably 1 minute.
Once it turns
Max,
13,
maybe.
once it turns 5:13, we'll put it in the mouth. Yeah. I'm so scared. I'm so scared! 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Ready?
my God,
Ready?
I'm so scared.
3, 2.
No!
Come on, 3, 2.
No! Ah, you got my chip! He broke my chip.
We have to do it at the same time because I don't trust you to not.
Ah, there's an ant by my chip. Ant! Don't eat this! Look at all this pepper I have on my fingers.
Nathan, you get this sink, I get this sink.
Let's go to the bathroom. By the tub. Set the camera up right here. No! No! 3,
2,
1.
go.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! What do we have? Ah! Ah! Give me some of that milk.
Hang on.
Give me the jug. Why did we do this? Move the camera. Is here under. I'm sorry, Mom, for using all your dish rags.
So y'all, we did the singing one chip challenge. We ain't ever doing it again. This is my second time doing it. And I didn't learn my lesson the first time.
So we survived. Barely. Hold on. We survived barely. You have to like this video now.
Yeah.
You have to. For our pain. To make our pain go away. An extra second at a time. Like the video.
If you like really, 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 really extreme hot stuff, the one chip challenge is for you.
Yeah, but if you're thinking of, but you're kind of scared to, listen to the scared little girl part of yourself and don't do it. Because I swear that is the worst pain.
That was funny watching you react to it.
That's the
You're
worst.
like, oh my god.
My chest is just really hot right now. I'm like, right here. I'm gonna go talk to my neighbors.
I've never actually swallowed the chip before. When I did it the first time, I chewed it up. My mouth was already on fire and I spit it out. That's the first time I've actually ate the chip.
I swallowed it because look,
Well, so did I. I swallowed it too.
it's way back there because I swallowed and it's like having a
By the way, if
flamethrower
you
inside your
burp-
mouth.
If you burp at any point, believe me, it's gonna hurt. Because that heat's gonna rush back up. It's gonna be hot.
Comment down below what you think would happen if you drank something like Coke. Would all the fizz like wash it away like?
No, because it's just gonna dry out your mouth and make your mouth burn more.